Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can remove background Premiere Pro, green screen. First, let's open our Adobe Premiere Pro and have your video ready. As you can see here, I already got my video. So let's drag and drop this to our sequence over here. Then navigate to your upper right and go to Effects. From here, search Color Key. Under Keying, tap this color key over here and drag and drop this one to your video and your sequence. Then on your upper left, go to Effect Control. Then we want to mask our subject, which in our case is a dog. Grab the pen tool and highlight your subject. It doesn't need to be perfect. Once done, let's go back on your effect controls again and check inverted over here. Then drag and drop this eyedropper tool to your background. And then on your color tolerance over here, just slide to left or right until you remove all the background on your video. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!